that PBBM, as he gave his speech, came across as very human. In other words, he has such a heavy burden to carry in the two remaining years. Dalawang taon na lang. You know, that's a big ask considering all of his plans, including the rocket. Uh, can he really pull all of that off inside of his term? That's the big question. However, having said that, so what I'm saying is I like what he said. I like the way he said it. But in my heart of hearts, I am in I am in support. I'm hoping he can get to push it through, no? Yung matuloy talaga. But at the same time, part of me is pragmatic and concerned about, does he have enough time? Does he have the wherewithal to make all of these things come true? Or would this be another 20 pesos per kilo of rice situation? Because I look forward to that too. And look how that turned out. Anyway, overall, especially given the fact that towards the end of the sauna, he was getting round after round of applause from Congress. He was getting even the media applauding his speech. In other words, he resonated with people. He touched hearts. He touched mine because for the first time I watched one of his saunas. Talagang pinanood ko from beginning to end, and I must admit, I was rather impressed that he was able to say everything that he said, even if some of them, I agree with Mario, especially with the rocket thing, was more like an Elon Musk moment. You know, like may pagka-pie in the sky, literally in the sky. So it's probably not going to happen. But I'm with Mario there na sana he specified, why do we need a rocket in space? Because if it's for surveillance, yes, that would make sense to invest in that. If it's for weather monitoring, and God knows we need it because ang dami nating bagyo, that would have been another good reason to send one up. But to my knowledge, in the past, we've already sent satellites into space. In other words, nakipiggyback lang tayo with some other nation sending our satellite into space. So, ang pagkaalam ko, meron na tayong mga satellites kahit noon pa eh. So, that part of it was for me, para bang kung baga sa Christmas tree, parang dinagdag lang na isasabit para gumanda lalo yung puno, no? But the rest of it, I'm with all of you, including Julie, that yes, he spoke about things that resonated with the average person, the cost of living, education, the drivers, our security. So, in other words, he wasn't trying to be big picture-ish. He was more trying to talk to the everyday man, to reach out to the person who's, in other words, the middle class. Really reaching out to us. He wasn't pandering to the poor, nor was he trying to please the oligarchs. I mean, when he talked about taking away the system's loss, that must have made what do you call, MVP very very upset. So uh, clearly he was being fearless in the midst of what oligarchs might say or do because of all of his plans. So I applaud him even for that.